Welcome back, legends. I've got you another video and this is a charting show. Why? Because people are texting me, people are talking about how September is going to be a red month. People are showing me the Bitcoin dominance chart and saying that Bitcoin dominance is going to rise from here. But wait, guys. I am not changing my strategy. I am still bullish in the markets, but now we are cautiously bullish. I'm going to show you three charts. Yes, three charts and three trades that we can take. Not right now, but as limit orders. And that is what we do, right? We are gonna make sure that we always follow our strategy. You just need to give me 8 minutes of your life. Do this with you. Like the content, subscribe if you're new, and let's go! Yes, Bitcoin is dropping right now. Bitcoin is falling off this massive trend line which has been there since April 2025, and the second tap was June 2025, and the third tap was August 2025, which is now as well. Now finally we are breaking down. Bitcoin is breaking down, but what is gonna happen? Where is it gonna go? In my opinion, the first target is 110k, but everything is okay because until the time we are above that level, we are still in that consolidation for Bitcoin, which is this massive range forming right now. This massive range currently is 38 days long, and this can continue for a while. But what are the trades we are taking? We are already taking trades in this red day, the red day wherein ETH BTC is down 3%, wherein everything is down apart from Bitcoin dominance, which is the only thing that is up around 1%. We are not stopping because literally yesterday when I did my TA session in Frontrunners, which is our private Discord community, I said that I'm taking a Bitcoin hedge short position here with my longs. Why? Because I saw this coming. We saw this coming before anyone in the market, and we took the short position. And what we are doing is we are enjoying the gains, guys. This is why you need to follow. This is why you need to be in the Discord if you want to be. Not need to be, but if you want to be. The link is in the description. You can use the promo code Kapoor and you can get discount as well. This is where I'm available 24/7. But this charting show, this YouTube video I'm making for you right now is less than 8 minutes, and I'm going to give you three trades in it. Three trades that are destined to profits, right? Bitcoin right now is becoming a corporate treasury standard. And 35 public companies now hold more than 1000 BTC. So long term, we always remain bullish, right? China just dropped a massive liquidity boost as well. 98 bill this week. And this is not just China. M2, global money supply is climbing like crazy, breaking towards the highs. And we know the playbook. BTC is gonna follow. BTC will follow. And BTC is lagging behind M2 money supply right now. Once it follows, it is going to trigger a massive rally, and that rally is going to be in alts as well. You can see this chart. This is the altcoin buy signal from Dune Analytics, and you can see how whenever we reach this green line, that is the moment to sell your kidney, sell your car, sell your house, and buy altcoins. But I'm not gonna ask you to do all of that. I'm literally gonna ask you to take some of the trades. No financial advice, but I'm gonna tell you, I'll give you a little bit of levels as well as show you fundamental strength of a couple of tokens. And I'm not saying sell your car, sell your kidney, sell your house to buy some random altcoin. No, we're only looking at fundamentally strong altcoins. We're only looking at technically strong altcoins in this video. We just saw how September is usually a really bad month for crypto. Not really bad, but after green July and green August, which is on average since the inception of Bitcoin, September is usually negative, and then comes a massive green Q4. So prep is very important. When we know that on an average September is a negative month, then we can set some good limit orders in good tokens, right? Can we not? We can, obviously. So let's do it. Let's go to the first token, which is not Bitcoin. I'm sorry about that. Is it Ethereum? No, I'm not giving a trade for Ethereum, but what I'm going to show you is this massive support for Ethereum, which is at 4K level, and it's coming back down. This is a textbook, classical technical analysis, textbook breakout, consolidation, and then continuation. It is happening right in front of you. Breakout, consolidation, continuation. This is going to happen for Ethereum if Ethereum wants to remain bullish in this market. But this is not a trade. I was just showing you the levels. The first trade for me is Pumpfun. I'm going to give you the level. I'm going to tell you why it is fundamentally strong as well. Super quickly. Team has just used 100% of the daily rev to buy back pump since late July. So imagine there is a company which is making money, and all the money they're making, they're just buying back their own tokens. This buyback scheme is exceptionally well, it works exceptionally well, and it also shows that the company, the institution, the firm believes in their own token, right? They've got the glass full foundation as well, which is deploying Pump's rev into their own ecosystem projects. Absolutely amazing. So they don't only believe in their own token, they also believe in their platform meme coins. And that is what conviction is about. So they are high conviction on their own token. The metrics are super strong. Pumpfun now accounts of 75% of Solana launchpad activity, up from 25% in July. 3x, guys, 3x. Everything is in front of us. If you read the Masari Q2 2025 report for Solana, you will see how Pumpfun has dominated in literally every single metric, Q to Q as well as year to year. And that is what we want. I'm going to be making a full video on Solana ecosystem and my ultimate portfolio, but this is more of a charting show. This is more of a tradey show if you want quick trades. But Pumpfun, what is the trade? No financial advice. I'm never going to give you financial advice. I'm no one to give you financial advice. But as a friend, I'm just telling you that Pump is approaching a really nice support here, which is sitting at 0.003016, which is 3 bill market cap. Now, what is going to happen is it's going to come down, it's going to consolidate and go up like this, and maybe then comes down again. Maybe it comes down again, but our trade is pretty simple. Our trade is the first tap of this level. The first tap, remember, first tap is pretty important, which is why we are putting a limit order here, right? First tap is pretty important with the TP1 at 11% and stop loss at around 6%, let's say. Why 6%? Because this is a highly volatile asset and it can hit your stop loss super quickly. Then the TP2 is going to be here at 19% and TP3 is going to be final 20%, which is going to be sent for moonbag. So in my trading style, for the people who know, my trading style is pretty simple. I invest in buckets. I take my money out in buckets as well. It helps me manage my risk. It helps me to make sure that I'm in the right side of the markets all the time. So Pumpfun is my first trade. Now, am I buying this on spot as well? Not right now. Not right now. I'm going to create another video on Solana ecosystem. And when that happens, I'm going to tell you where I'm going to buy Pumpfun on spot for a max, I would say 2, 3, 4x trade. But right now, this is a leverage trade, low leverage trade. Always remember, low leverage is pretty important, right? Second token is Radium. Radium protocol, one of the best DEXs on Solana. Read the Masari Q2 2025 report. Look, every single time I'm going to tell you, read the report. But no, I'm going to read it for you. I'm going to read it for you in the next video if you don't want to. But you can see here how July review for Radium has been absolutely stunning. 40 billion cumulative monthly volume, which is a month-over-month increase of 71%. 18.33 million protocol rev, which is month-over-month increase of 137%. 5.7 mil allocated to programmatic Ray buybacks. It's absolutely stunning to see, how we were just talking about Pumpfun, which is doing so good fundamentally, and the company is like, the firm is super, behind it as well. And now we can see there is another project, another protocol in Solana ecosystem, which is absolutely amazing. It's stunning. Also, the new market, which is tokenized assets, we saw how, Xstock started to, take a lot of heat as well. It's all in Radium, guys. So people are actually buying stocks on chain and they're doing it on Radium. So why do we not invest in Radium? We will. We did as well. We did. If I go back and show you how we made super profits on Radium yesterday, and this is in our front runners Discord. I gave the entry over here, and I was like, okay, I took the entry, and here you go. That's 60% gain on 10x leverage, but that's something of past, right? Let's come back to the present. The present says that Radium has broken down and Radium is going to be coming back to the trendline support. And this trendline support is sitting at around $3, exact $3 level, which is also the confluence with the horizontal support. Simple, guys. It's simple. Come back down, go up, because you are respecting the trend line here. The trend line has been here since June. Then the second tap was in August and again in August. And now we are going to get a tap in August again, the third tap. This trend line will be respected, should be respected, and our stop loss is going to be around 5%. Again, I always say this, no financial advice, but But I'm just telling you as a friend, if you want to paper trade, if you want to just trade proper, I don't know. Next, and the final token for you guys is Lido. I'm gonna give you the levels, but first listen to me. The TVL, it's sitting at the all-time highs right now. Lido actually owns 1/3 of staked ETH on its platform. Not owns, but has 1/3 of total staked ETH. I think total staked ETH, if I'm not wrong, is 133 bill, and Lido holds around 33 bill from it, 31 to 33 bill on its platform. That is absolutely stunning, right? And it's one of the best tokens in the Ethereum ecosystem, in my opinion. One of the best tokens. The TVL is sitting at the all-time highs, and the price is going up as well like crazy. But why and where do we buy? I just told you why we buy. I'm going to tell you where to buy. This, you see this consolidation? This consolidation was 158 days long. That is literally 6 months. And now after 6 months, this thing has broken out. This thing has broken out. Again, classical technical analysis, guys. Breakout, retest, continuation. Breakout, retest, consolidation just a little bit, and then continuation. So I am looking at this confluence of trend line as well as horizontal, which is sitting at around 1.194. 1.194 with a 5% stop loss again. That is my strategy. And my risk reward is always 3:1. And people who know me understand this. Why do I do this? To make sure that, you know, I'm even if I have a 40% win rate, in the end, I'm going to take money from the markets. I'm not going to give away the money in the markets, right? That is my strategy. Congratulations on sitting until the last. You are here. That means that either you were interested in what I'm talking about, which is the finance, which is the crypto side, or you think that I look good. And that is the case. I do look good. But that is all fun and games, guys. Make sure you manage your risk. Make sure that you're not gambling. Make sure that you understand that this is not financial advice. Make sure that you like and subscribe this channel, because I'm going to get you alpha. I'm going to give free alpha all the time. Every 2 days I'm bringing you the new video, and the next video is going to be my ultimate Solana portfolio for Q4 2025. So guys, see you all later. Thank you for joining.